What up, two-time family? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we back with another epic video, man. Today we are going to be cleaning the headlights on the 1999 Buick LeSabre. Guys, don't go out and purchase new headlights just because you want, them to be clean on the front. Yo, you can clean them yourself with everyday household materials, man. Some people don't have baking soda like myself. I didn't have any baking soda in the house because it all been used to clean the house. But I did go out and purchase some baking soda for 50 cents. So you know what I'm saying? These household materials are like everyday essentials that you guys should have in your house, or might not, but they are very cheap. Instead of you going to go buy a kit at AutoZone for like $15 to $20 plus, you can use your everyday household materials and your headlights to be looking very fresh. So without further ado, man, I'll let you guys know the materials that are needed, which is, like I said, baking soda. You can use any kind of toothpaste. This is just our household toothpaste that we have right here, the Crest Complete Scope. You're gonna want to mix up water and just some dish detergent soap so that you can spray and clean the lights before you even apply anything else. You have a clean rag 1, clean rag 2, a bowl. And you guys don't need this. This is just to show you guys before and after kind of deal. So yeah, man, not gonna even talk anymore. We're gonna dive straight into it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell notification, smash that like button. We're doing things like this all the time to help you guys. If you got any kind of issues with anything with your vehicle, randomizing things as we go to try to help you, because I need to be doing the same thing myself, as you guys can see what the headlights look like. Very hazy, very foggy. Pretty much tired of that look. And two, my headlights seem like that they are dimming over time, so I know that that's coming from the haze film on the front of the headlights. So we about to dive straight into it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, man. Oh, as y'all can see, I cut the hair too, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I did chop the top, man. I got tired of the dreads and then having a do-rag on all the time and then trying to put a head over top of it. So yeah, man, I'm about to be rocking this look for a while. I may change it up a little bit, but yeah, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Peace. So you guys are gonna want to start with the dish soap and the clean rag. What you're gonna want to do is just clean the front surface of the whole headlight. Spray it pretty good. Make sure you got the whole surface. Take your clean rag and just kind of clean the surface of the headlight. This is just getting any kind of contamination that's on the front of the headlight, like bugs and stuff, because you don't want to cake that up while you're trying to clean it. I have like 2 little burn marks here. I don't know what that came from, but we'll try to work around that. Actually, it's coming off, so that's what the dish soap is for. As you can see, the dirt on the rag there. So I'm gonna hit it one more time. It's already starting to look a little bit cleaner. So what you're gonna want to do next is take your toothpaste, put some in your bowl. Doesn't have to be the whole tube. Just take and put some in the bowl. Then you're gonna want to take a little bit of baking soda, sprinkle over top of that. Then you can take your spray bottle with your dish detergent soap and water and just spray over top of that. If you feel that you're gonna need a little bit more baking soda like myself, I'll just put a little bit more over top of that. Doesn't have to be a lot, but saturate it with the water and soap. And if you got anything to stir it with, which I'm just gonna stir it with my fingers, you can do so. But mix it real good. Add more baking soda if necessary. It should be gritty, like you should feel like a gritty feel. So mine may need just a little bit more baking soda. Mix it up. Then it's on to the application. So now take your spray bottle once again, spray your headlights real good. And you're gonna wanna keep that on there. So you're gonna wanna take that same rag that you use to clean your headlights with, just flip it over. You're gonna wanna dab into the mixture with the toothpaste and the baking soda. And you're gonna wanna apply it to your headlight in a circular motion, or however you guys want to do it, but make sure that you apply it pretty good. As you guys can see, all of the yellow film that's come off the light on the rag, that's a good thing. That means that you're doing a deep clean on it. So you're gonna wanna spray it again and apply your application one more time. So now you're gonna wanna let the application sit for about 5 minutes. And then you're gonna wanna come back and you're gonna wanna hit it with the Windex again, and with a clean rag, you're gonna wanna clean it off. So I'll show you guys in about 5 minutes when I hit it with the soap and water, then clean it off, what the before and after looks like. So 5 minutes has passed. Now I'm gonna take the water with dish soap, spray the light real good, take the clean rag, and then I'm gonna wipe any excess toothpaste and baking soda off. I'm gonna go over it one more time. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this tape side off, and we're gonna see the difference that the Colgate and the baking soda done versus just the side that's been wiped down and clean. And as you guys can see, there's a major difference. So this side to the right is still hazy. That side is pretty clean and see-through. So as you guys can see, this is the side that was done. This is the side that was just cleaned with the clean rag and dish soap and water. But this is the side that was hit with the water, dish soap, baking soda, and toothpaste. And as you guys can see, there's a major difference. Very clean, see-through, and this one is still hazy. So you guys can definitely tell that that made a world of difference. And I'ma definitely clean the whole headlight now and then show you guys the difference between this side and the side that's not clean. But I'll go ahead and show you guys this side. Terrible. And then show you the side that was clean. Very nice. So as you can see, I've cleaned the full headlight assembly. And that's what it turned out like. Very clear, almost like factory. This is what the other side looks like, even after I sprayed it with water and wiped it down one time. Still very hazy. Doesn't look as good as this one. And this here is how both of the headlights look cleaned. As you guys can see that they're very clear. For it to be a 99 Buick, these headlights have never been cleaned before. So the haze was real. I have it caked up on the rag. You guys seen it. It was all that yellow film. But the baking soda and toothpaste has a deep cleaning formula that you guys can just mix up real quick in a bowl, man, and spray that thing on that headlight along with your dish soap and water and a little bit of scrub, man, and you guys can get your headlights looking just like this. Don't go out purchasing no brand new headlights when you feel that your headlights are too hazy and foggy. You guys can just get your everyday household materials. Come out here, man. It'll probably take you like 25 to 30 minutes all together for both headlights. Spray them down right after that with a water hose and you'll be good to go. Your headlights will be looking just like this. Like I said, this is coming from a 99 Buick. So you guys may have newer cars. Don't go out purchasing no $300, $400, $500 headlights when you can just go out there. You can actually use a toothbrush too to scrub. If you don't want to use the rag, you can use a toothbrush or whatever. Just something that won't scratch your headlights. And you guys can get them clean just like this. So yeah, man, save you guys some money. These everyday household materials are probably like $5 to $10, if that, all together. And I mean, these are things that everybody should have. I know everyone brushes their teeth. Well, not everybody, but hopefully you do. And then you guys should have majority of what's necessary to get your headlights looking like this. So thanks for watching. Two-Time Moto TV out, man. Until next time, peace.